Okay, let's start from the beginning. The first learning management system was nothing but a typewriter with 5 buttons. With the advent of computers, developers could add cool features to learning management software, and it became increasingly multifunctional. But something went wrong. All this super-duper software didn't get one fundamental thing. The way learners learn has changed. Today, people consume information in tweets, 15-second TikTok videos, snaps. 7Taps is hardwired to produce highly engaging courses which look like Instagram stories. Courses can be quick shared via link or email, with stats provided about learner performance. We've seen all sorts of companies design courses that reimagine the way they interact with employees. We've seen small businesses train their workers with basic how-tos, an independent instructional designer building beautiful courses for her customer, a team lead in multinational corporation building a new employee onboarding course. Anyone can make hyper-engaging 7Taps courses in minutes.